The Morales Elementary School presents the Health Vlog.
Hello guys! Hello everyone! Good morning! I'm Aubrey Pini Kumusena, a grade 6 pupil in Morales Elementary School. Let's welcome this day with smile in our faces. So, smile naman tayo dyan! I know that we are now experiencing the different stresses brought about by COVID-19 pandemic. Kadalasan, nalalakoban tayo ng takot para sa kaligtasan natin at sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Minsan naman, pinaghinaan tayo ng loob dahil hindi natin alam kung ano ang gagawin. Kaya naman, kalimutan muna natin sandali ang mga yon. Tumutok muna kayo sa video na ito. In this video, we will learn how to be healthy. Gusto niyo po bang malaman? Everybody, watch this out! There are 8 principles of health. We call this NEWSTART. These 8 simple rules bring us better health and happier living when we apply it in our lives. Let's learn about what's new start. N means nutrition. E is for exercise. W is for water. S is for sunshine. T is for temperance. A is for air. R is for rest. And P is trust in divine power. We come first to nutrition. To keep us running well, we need to choose our foods wisely and to keep our diet well balanced with the 4 main food groups, and these are fruits, grains, nuts and seeds, and vegetables. Next, E. Exercise. Proper exercise gives life to the whole body. Exercise is an excellent recreation not only for the body but also for the mind. It brings relief to the weary brain, helping us to think more clearly and to feel more cheerful. The whole body becomes more resistant to disease. Ayun pala, kapag meron tayong tama at sapat na ehersisyo, nakadagdag ito para maging masiyahin tayo. W. Water. Water is very important part of our lives, both inside and outside the body. We need to drink 6 to 8 glasses of clean water each day. It helps to pave the way for quicker recovery when we are sick. The kidneys' work is made efficient if we drink plenty of clean water. On the outside, bath and shower every day cleans the skin of germs and impurities, helping all organs in the body to do their work. All clothes and bedding should be washed in clean water to keep them fresh and clean as well. Alright, dadako naman tayo sa letrang F, na ang ibig sabihin ay sunshine o sikat ng araw. You know what? Energy from sun rays on our skin, giving vitamin D, one of the vitamins needed in our body, and also aids in relieving acutely swelling arthritic joints, increases calcium absorption, destroys bacteria and viruses, and promotes healing of some skin irritation. Yan po ang mga benepisyong makukuha natin sa sikat at init ng dala ng araw. But of course, dapat sa umaga tayo magpaaraw, mga 6:30 to 8 a.m. Depende po kung gaano kaaga ang pagsikat ng araw. Huwag po tayong magpasobra sa pagbilad ng araw kasi meron din po siyang masamang epekto. Yung tamang-tama lang po. Now, for the first letter T, temperance. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? Well, in English, temperance is moderation in action. We need to be sensible and careful in all facets of life. Temperance covers areas of diet, sleeping habits, choice and fitting of our clothing, our daily activities, our exercise, and all other aspects of our life. Sa lahat ng bagay o anumang gawin, dapat nasa katamtaman lang. Huwag magpasobra, huwag magpakulang. Sunod naman ay A, for air. Let's take a deep breath. Sarap ng hangin dito sa Morales dahil sa maraming mga pananim. You know what? Pure, fresh air gives a good appetite, helps improve the blood flow, purifies the blood, helps digestion of food, helps us sleep soundly, and also helps to heal the sick. Ngayong pandemic, kailangan mas lalo nating panatilihing malinis ang loob at labas ng ating bahay, papasukin ang peskong hangin at sikat ng araw. Proper rest habits contribute to our quality of life. It also adds to the length of life and improves mental and physical efficiency. During rest, our body is replenished, waste products are removed in our body system, are re-energized, preparing for renewed activity for the day to come. Tandaan natin ang kasabihang, early to bed, early to rise, makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise.
The last T means trust in a divine power. There is one power that we can lean on, especially in this time of crisis. Many persons from ages past has found a new start, physically, mentally, and spiritually when they have sought divine aid. That power comes from the compassionate creator of the universe. He gives us the great hope that we can surpass this COVID-19 pandemic.
A good diet allows us to think more clearly. A clear mind helps us to make good choices and to have clear spiritual, pure thoughts. Good, pure minds keep the body in trim, completing the circle of wanting good nutrition, exercise, water, sunshine, temperance, air, rest, and will increase our trust in divine power. Yes, as we face this new normal, I invite you to try New Start today. And every day will start off with a new start. And as the pattern develops, old ways will quickly drop off the mind and body, enjoy and increase good health. Maraming salamat po. Let's keep our body healthy. Stay safe po tayong lahat. Dito po nagtatapos ang aking health vlog.